Welcome. I'm Tracy Townsend, an account manager with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today I'm going to demonstrate the best possible medication history, or BPMH, feature in the Connie portal. BPMH is a compilation of medication data taken from continuity of care documents, or CCDs, that have been contributed to Connie from various sources. BPMH can be used to facilitate med reconciliation and deprescribing, support collaborative care, reduce medication costs and errors, and improve clinical outcomes. Currently, the BPMH in Connie displays a consolidated medication list parsed from the almost 1 million CCDs Connie has received. Please note that this preliminary version of BPMH is not a complete record of a patient's medication history. It is also not a MedRec tool. However, it does provide a helpful starting point for providers and prescribers in their MedRec process. To access BPMH, search for a patient in the Connie portal and go to the Clinical Information app. Once in the Clinical Information app, or HIE in context, you'll want to select the Medication Management icon. You can see what has been captured in the last 90 days by default, or you can select all. Here we see a list of the medications that have been captured from the CCDs that have been sent to Connie from various sources. The medication's generic name is listed first, followed by the medication name, dose, SIG, and the prescriber. The start date represents the prescription start date as of the latest CCD received by Connie. Next to it, the capture date refers to the date of the latest CCD that the medication was shown on. You can sort by any of the column headers. BPMH uses a deduplication algorithm to streamline viewing for an easily digestible overview of a patient's most recent medications, while enabling the provider access to the underlying data if needed. A triangular symbol to the left of the medication indicates that a dosage or prescriber has changed. Clicking on the arrow will show you the medication history. If the list is long, you can click the search icon and search for a specific medication. Or you can filter the list. BPMH contributes to improved patient safety and patient outcomes by consolidating shared medication information. It helps improve appropriateness of prescribing and may give prescribers insight to medication adherence, and supports communication between physicians, patients, and pharmacists regarding discontinued medications.